Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Ananta Renew stall at one of the country's best exhibitions when it comes to activations like these. And it was interesting to find Shweta with us here. Hi, Shweta.
Hi.
Hi. So, tell us a little bit about Ananta Renew.
So Ananta Renewables is a renewable energy company. We deal with the environment majorly. It all started with the thought that a lot of people are dying because of cancers and a lot of other diseases. So we try to find out the root cause of what the diseases would be and why would they, make people die so much. So we came down to the consensus that it's the food that you eat that causes all the diseases. So we decided to change the soil where we grow our harvest. In. So that's how we started with composting. So composting is not a waste managed composting that we do. Since I'm a microbiologist also, so we have these really lovely microorganisms which reduce the organic matter from the soil. So we buy fruits and vegetables from farmers and we make this beautiful concentrate called as Ananta organic compost. And this beautiful thing is the most yummiest food that you can give to your soil as well as for your plants.
Alright, so tell me a little bit about how I can start as a newbie because I have no soil and no plants. So
Number one, you need to buy some plants for yourself. They can be any of the regular used edible things that you need. Like you can grow tomatoes, you can grow chili in the house, you can grow Italian basil, the Thai basil, peppermint, anything that you use it in your everyday food. And what you need to do is just feed it once a month with the organic concentrate, and that revives the soil. It adds all the goodness to the soil and does goodness to your body. So this is your food, but not directly, of course indirectly.
all right. So let's say I live in a very secluded apartment with two other bachelors and we eat Maggie every day and that's how we survive.
You can buy some of the air purifiers. You can buy a lot of indoor varieties.
Hey, you didn't even let me complete my question, Shweta. That's your teacher instinct coming back.
Okay.
Let me just say, I want to begin cultivating my own food and cultivating the good habit of eating healthy.
Okay.
How do I begin? I don't have any experience whatsoever. Do I need to know microbiology to begin?
No, you just need to find some area in your house where you get light, not direct sunlight, but you get light, and then you can grow all these cute little friends of yours who are going to feed you all your life. Also, you need to remember that they need light, water and food. These are the three basic necessities of any plant that you want to grow in your house, and then you can be a healthy boy forever.
Okay, thank you so very much, Shweta. It was very, very lovely talking to you, and I'm hoping that this would be one step closer towards my mother's dream of seeing me without a paunch. And hopefully, when we meet next time, we will be eating something that's grown right inside my garden. And when we do that, we'll make sure that we post it on Deadlines tonight so that you can remember what channel it's on.
Okay,
Because we
thank you
don't
so
just
much.
watch the news, we be it.
Thank you.
Thank you.